Hi, schönen guten Abend, as they say in German, and today I'm here at Ramandeep's place in Fulda. Finally, I made it from Mainz, and it was very good journey. And same like going up and down. It's really exciting. Reaching out to him also at this time.
Thank you so much for coming and visiting me.
Oh, thank you for the invitation.
And
also,
I hope like we are going to shoot some videos and like convey some more important information what we think for students. And so let's get started.
Yeah, but before getting started, we would like to thank you, our audience, especially the prestigious audience that really helped us to improving our content by giving their feedback. Last we got very brutal comments also, like please work on your audio skills, and we like your videos, but do work on it. And we really are considering this fact.
We have been constantly working on that.
Yeah.
We have also upgraded our equipments.
Upgraded equipment is 2020 now, so obviously it's almost coming to an end also. But really thanks for this input, and we really have considered this, and it's really helped us to improve our skill set also for our video making, and helping the audience for the providing the informations.
Yeah, and I think like now we should get started.
Yeah, definitely.
So today's topic is, as you can also read in the title, that the 5 most important skills before coming to Germany you have to keep in mind as a student. And first one, what do you think about?
First, definitely,
and we have to be very honest what we have been doing, and we have also the first one. What do you think? The first one.
Specifically, if you talk about in Europe, Germany, punctuality. I already made one video. You can check out on my channel also. The punctuality, the Pünktlichkeit, they say in German. It's really, to be honest, it's true, and definitely it's really applicable on every type of organization. It's not only limited to the army or some sort of central government bodies or something. It's really implemented for the bus system, trains, transit system,
for
hospitals,
and really it's very important. And I also wanted to add something to the punctuality. Whenever we met, we meet people, German people or from other countries, we have been hearing that, oh, you are from India. Okay, aaj kitne baje aana hai? Okay, 7 baje. We have to reach at 7 o'clock, and then they ask Indian time or German time.
That's
so
dilemma.
funny, yeah. So it means German time ka matlab hai ki 7 o'clock you have to be there, but Indian time ka matlab hai ki 15-20 minute you can come late also. So we have been hearing a lot, and I think before coming to Germany you should keep in mind punctuality plays a very vital role in Germany.
Definitely.
And I think ये मेरे को लगता है कि ये integrity, it's all about integrity, that you are saying that you will come at 7 o'clock and you are not showing up at 7. I think if you go anywhere, business meetings or somewhere, then they won't consider you as an important person, because they say, okay, he is not on time. He has given his time, word, he will be there at 7, but he is not there. So how can we make a business with him?
That's a remark been put out on the people side, that they consider if not punctual, how we can do business in it.
True.
And it's really true also, like he mentioned. And apart from punctuality, there are so many more points to it. That
maybe I think we have been talking about punctuality, and the second, what do you think? What would be the second one?
Apart from this punctuality culture thing, definitely the software skills, the soft skills. Apart from software basically going through all this Microsoft Office, MS Office skills, software, Word, Excel, PowerPoint presentations and all this, which back home it's not given that valuable because differ of the education system here. and definitely we've been learning ourselves also. We've been doing from this side input also, that what we haven't been through, like going up to the softwares, learning more, gaining the educate informations for the software. Not only that we can only double click and open it and we can present or something like this, not basic, but complete
to how to present, like public speaking, like this, like in front of 40 people you have to be in the class, like to presenting yourself, and you have to like come up with the facts, and your presentation should be like very attractive.
Definitely.
And like if you are coming here for international management or like MBA programs, then you have to be very like speaking. You have to speak. Otherwise like can't make any dent into the world. I think like we have been now using like these words.
definitely it's our side struggles also in the society. I would say
like when I came here the first semester, I was struggling a lot because I didn't make any presentation back in India, because I did my bachelor's in like correspondence. Aapko jana hai, like write an exam and that's it. But here something like totally everything is different. Marketing management there was like we have to only present.
Yeah, it's a true thing.
And you can't like you can't just come up and say, okay, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे presentation बना दी है, but if you can't like present, then your marks will get deducted.
Definitely. It's a skill set that we always lack from our homeland, because it's never been taught. And एक point it's important also कि भाई speaking का होता है skills. एक नए environment में जब हम आते हैं या करते हैं, so in new environment obviously complexity level is very high. How to even speak up to the different background people, different nations working together, and how to say this thing, conflicts emerges, and how to get out
every
from the
time we have that
conflicts and all this thing, especially
we also get like sometimes like some comments which are not appropriate to say also in the video, but we get that.
Definitely, and we have to accept that also. It's not because just we are getting this thing while we are lacking it. It's just that give us the push to even improve. Definitely, for sure, because it's not that how one should perceive that it's not. If they are lacking something, it's not be done. They can overcome the skill. They can do something. I'm not or this.
I also would like to add this. Like to this point also, the third important skill which we think like open-mindedness. Because if you are getting like inappropriate comments from like why are you wearing turban, or why are you not white, why are you black, we can't like do anything there. But you have to be very open, and you have to I think see the opportunities rather than like just cursing yourself that you are wearing a turban, because it was very difficult to accept that. But like when you are open-minded, you are already prepared. Before coming to Germany, in India you are saying okay, मेरे को ये सारे comments सुनने को मिल सकते हैं, then you will be prepared. Because अगर ये ऐसा कुछ होगा, then how should I respond? And open-mindedness not all about like comments की बात है, but if you just walk on the road in the summers or like in winters, you see different people, different couples, because it's an open culture. So you have to accept it. You can't say okay मेरे country में ये नहीं होता तो यहाँ पे भी मैं ये सब कुछ accept नहीं करूँगा. Let's suppose if you are not drinking alcohol, that's not an issue. That's not an issue. You don't drink alcohol, that's fine. But अगर आप कहीं पे जा रहे हो, you can also take a cola.
Yeah, up case there I would like to definitely point out something just from the experience also, open-mindedness. There is something you can imagine where the two culture clashes also. We ask them ourselves how this thing is a really drastic change in the environment that where we've been coming from. There's, for example, the reserve mines mindset of not talking, being how to say, I don't know how to portray this thing, but in the society it's already default by our side also that we don't get too much indulge. We make distance in a sense, like it's a given in the society, but we already use in the culture basis. When we come here, we ask ourselves how it is possible. People are doing it very open and all this thing. This thing is what we are lacking. I believe. So here the culture clashes a lot. So obviously open-mindedness, what he mentioned is just a mindset for preparing everything.
Yeah. And I think you will like make that point, like culture clashes.
Mm-hmm.
And I would like to add the fourth important point is the language.
Language, definitely.
Because in Germany they speak German. If you like introduce yourself in German, then they would like to also speak to you in English. But first you have to introduce yourself in German, and I think it is also recommended to have completed like minimum B1 level or B2 level from Goethe Institute or anywhere. Or there are some also websites we can also mention in the comment section or maybe like in the description. deutschewelle.com, dw.com. There are free courses. You can also like go and check that.
Definitely.
And language, like it's very important.